Hi viewers, I am Rajnikanth Reddy, Senior Faculty Physics on behalf of VIDYA The Career Talks. Today I am here to have a discussion on TG EAPCET examination conducted, giving you an information about the marks achieved and the rank the student is going to perceive with the analysis that has been done in the last academic year and comparing it to give you a projection with the same this academic year. Before that, let me discuss with you the concept of giving marks to the students, which is called normalization, or in the other terms or more common terms we can call it as percentile. Normalization basically is a process in which the student's marks can be altered depending on his individual score, what they go to get in a particular session. As for example, TG EAPCET examination was conducted for 3 days in 2 sessions. Say let me take day 1. Day 1, session 1 was tougher, session 2 was moderate. Say in the tougher session, a student had scored 80 marks, and in the moderate session, a student had scored 70 marks. So then after the normalization process is completed, the student getting 80 marks will now go to an additional score of plus 10, and a student getting 60 marks will now also get a score of minus 10. So this is how normalization is generally done, and finally the rank versus marks approximations what have been done last year with the same reference, we are now going to hold a discussion on it for the current academic year, right? So I will now project you the marks, the rank versus marks last academic year, and this year what we intellectuals are trying to project, right, with respect to the student community and intellectuals perception towards the examination conducted by TG. We are now going to give you a brief indication of the marks and the rank you go to get. So last academic year in 2024, if you look at there, a student scoring 142 marks and above. A student scoring 142 marks and above is expected to get a rank below 10. Is expected to get a rank below 10. The same if you do look at this academic year 2025, right, a student scoring 140 and above will surely get a rank below 10. So look at, depending on the complication level in the examination, which students and teachers had experienced, the marks wavering and the rank that they go to get is projected here. Similarly, if you look for the last academic year, 125 marks and above, the students secured rank below 100. Similarly, 105 marks and above, last year students secured rank below 500, and the same if you are now going to compare with 2025, a student scoring 120 and above will fall in the category of below 100, and a student scoring 100 and above will fall in the category below 500. So this is how, with the slight deviation in the marks what we are trying to get this academic year with reference to the last year, right, we go to infer the analysis. Similarly, if I go down, look here, a marks of 82. 50% of the marks, 82 marks, last year a student was falling in a rank below 3000. This year 80 and above marks will make the student entitled to fall below 2000. And the same if we try to go down, right, we had already discussed about what maximum marks the student had now got up to 50%. Now in the next least category, if I go to analyze, last academic year a student scoring 55 marks had fallen into the category of below 30,000, right, up to 55 marks and above 55 marks, right, a student was able to score 30,000 rank, below 30,000. Similarly, 52 marks he was falling into the category of 40,000, and then I go there, 45 marks student last academic year was into a category of rank below 1 lakh. But this academic year if you do see, 54 marks right? He is now falling into 30,000 category, 49 marks and above he is falling into 60,000 category, and 44 marks he is falling into 1 lakh category. So dear students, this is how a slight deviation is what you can observe in the marks that we are going to project for this EAPCET examination conducted, right, versus the previous EAPCET examination result, right. So in this particular sequence, if you do observe, the ranking analysis after the normalization is done can be projected, and this is what we are going to infer with the last year's reference, right. Now I will go to tell you people what rank will enable you to get seat in top 10 listed engineering colleges across Telangana. So let me now go to hold a discussion on the rank you go to get and the college in which you can approximately get confirmation with respect to what has been done in the last academic year. So now on the screen, dear viewers, you can find the list of top 10 engineering colleges across Telangana, right, and the cutoff marks, what rank will enable you to get seat into which top college of Telangana. I am now going to project it on the screen. Look here, dear students who fall into the category of 1399 rank. Up to 1399 rank, students were able to get computer sciences CSE, right, in JNTU college, and a rank of 1891 had got seat in Chaitanya Bharati of Institute of Technology, CBIT, and 1850 rank got a seat in OU, Usmania University, right. 2008 rank will give you a seat, had given a seat last year in VNR VJIET. Similarly, 2441 rank had got a student securing a seat in the same CSE in Vasavi College. And if you look further, a rank of 1620 in CSM group had got a seat for students in JNTU. Similarly, a rank of 2099 had got a seat in the same group in CBIT College of Engineering. 2581 in VNR VJIET, 2701 in Vasavi College of Engineering, right. And then if you further look down, the rank up to 9000 I had projected here. A student with a rank of 9000 last year in CSE group was able to get, a girl candidate was able to get a seat in BVRIT, BV Raju Institute of Technology, Women's College here. Similarly, 8000 rank had got a seat for students in BVRIT, the same. BVRIT, this is the Girls Engineering College, and this is the General Engineering College here. Similarly, 5910 rank had made students landed safely in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology. And now into CSM group, if I try to give you the discussion there, a rank of 12,000. A rank of 12,000 secured last academic year made a student land safely in BVRIT Girls or Women's College there. Similarly, 10,000 BVRIT, right? 6,481 MGIT in CSM group, 5,200 GRIET, right, in the same CSM group. So this is the analysis what we people had generally done with basis to last academic year, and the marks I had given to you in the previous discussion, right, which rank will help you to get a seat or which rank. Now for example, as we had listed out here 12,000 rank, right, BVRIT, which is the a list of top 10 colleges what we had observed. Now if I just try to give you a brief idea as to what marks you need to get in order to get a rank or a seat in the top 10 engineering colleges in CSM group and CSE group. So look here, a marks of about 70, approximately if you take 70 marks, right, out of 160, if a student does make himself capable of scoring 70 marks, will surely get CSM group in the top 10 listed Telangana engineering colleges, right. So if I go further with the other groups, my dear students, look here, AI and D here, CS Cyber, right, IT, ECE and EEE. So these are the groups what I am now going to discuss with you people. Now for artificial intelligence, right, AI, if you look for in CBIT last academic year, a rank of 3,362 made a student capable of procuring seat in CBIT. Similarly, 3,172 rank a student himself was able to get in OU, Osmania University. 3,335 he was able to land safely in VNR VJIET. Similarly, 7,500 rank CVR College of Engineering. 4,414 GRIET College of Engineering and Technology. 7,251 made students land safely in Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology. So if you look down further, a rank of 11,500 and a rank of 11,000 made students secure seat in BVRIT and BVRIT Women's College of Engineering. Right. So this is with respect to AI and D group with the interrogation what we have done compared to the last academic year. And now coming to CS and cyber groups here, a rank of 2,600. A rank of 2,600 made students secure seat in JNTU. Similarly, 3,616 rank made students get a seat in CBIT. And if I go down further, 8,120 rank got students landing safely into CVR College of Engineering and 5,200 into GRIET College of Engineering and Technology. So this is with respect to CS Cyber group, which is a hot cake in the coming era. And now coming with IT, right? IT, a rank of about 3,929 will make a student land in engineering course in CBIT. Similarly, 4,282 he can easily procure, he has procured a seat in VNR VJIET. Similarly, 4,631 in Vasavi, 9,340 in CVR College of Engineering, 7,960 rank a student got seat in Mahatma Gandhi Institute, and 13,000 rank even that student was able to land in the BVRIT Girls or Women's Engineering College. So this is with respect to IT, information technology. And now coming to the last two groups here which are in great demand in Telangana, ECE and EEE. If you look with ECE, right, ECE, a student who had secured a rank of 2,954 last year was himself able to get a seat in JNTU. He joined in JNTU with a rank 2,954 in ECE group. Similarly, in EEE, 6,762 rank had done the needful for him to get seat in JNTU. And if you just look down further, 3,740 rank had got seat in Osmania University College of Engineering, and 8,408 marks also enabled student to get into Osmania University in ECE and EEE groups. Going down further, look here, a rank of 8,911. Right, 8,911 got seat in CVR College of Engineering, and 19,354 got seat in CVR with EEE. So if you look down further, my dear students, look there, 18,000 rank and 23,000 rank also made students to get into engineering in BVRIT and BVRIT Women's College. So on the whole, if you observe, a student securing 10,000 and below rank, right, will surely be able to place himself or herself in the top 10 listed engineering colleges across Telangana in the free category. Yeah, dear viewers, so finally at the end of this discussion what we had about the rank and the cutoff and the top listed engineering colleges in Telangana, so one need to now make himself into a strong foundation, stating that on the analysis what has been given to you here, if you look out, the top CSE rank you see 1,399, so almost 1,400 or 1,500 rank, right? And here the same, what you see 13,000 or almost 10 times of it, right? That means 1,500 to 15,000, right? So this is the general rank placement wherein a student can have a secured seat for himself in top listed 10 engineering colleges across Telangana. And one important point you will have to observe here is, if you want to join into CS group, right, don't look for the top one, don't look for the second one, right. All these top listed colleges what I have projected to you do give you nearly the same standard of engineering, so you can comfortably without a secondary thought take a seat if you are falling into the category that will give you a seat of CSE in the top listed engineering colleges. So now look out, 1400 marks to 15,000 rank, 1400 rank to 15,000 rank, where what marks a student has to get, right. So here starting from a mark of, see here, below 1000 rank is 98, below 2000 is 89 and above, right. So 1500 somewhere is around 98 to 89 in between. That is, say for example, if you are getting about 95 marks, right, 95 to 15,000, right. Yeah, so dear viewers, the rank what we had observed and the college which is going to give you a seat, right, if you just try to convert the same rank into marks, right, so a student has to safely land into the marks ranging from, look here, it is 89 here 2000, 82 3000, right, 98 is 1000. So I told you 1500. So roughly on an average a student scoring 95 marks or 96 marks there, and his mark is up to, say here I told you 15,000, so 65 marks. So 95 to 65 marks, if the student is able to secure in the final EAPCET examination what he or she has appeared, they will surely be able to place themselves in the top 10 listed engineering colleges across Telangana, which is far better than any other student who is pursuing his engineering from the last 10 NIT colleges listed across the country. So this is the information what we people wanted to share with you about the analysis of marks and rank versus college. Any genuine doubts about the marks, about the rank, about the colleges, right, and a number will be scrolled down. You can just call on that number and then inquire about, clarify your queries. Thank you.